Hey everybody, Pete here from Northern Work. There are lots of reasons why you might want to attach wood to existing concrete or the masonry. If you do, here are a few things to keep in mind. Before you drill anything, mark the location of your pilot holes onto your wood and check these against the attachment point. For concrete, you want to make sure the bolts will go into the full thickness of the post and avoid the area around the edges. On brick walls, make sure all of your holes go into brick and not mortar, which will crack and tear out. Drill a pilot hole and countersink the same diameter as your bolts. I'm using these 10mm bolts from DeWalt. Make sure your countersink is big enough for a socket wrench. To mark your drill sites, tap through your wood with an old masonry bit or a marker. Double check your hole sites to make sure they're either in solid concrete or fully in brick. The secret to avoid splitting and cracking is to drill a pilot hole with a smaller bit first, then re-drill. It's a good idea to cut a bevel at the bottom of your posts. This will avoid water soaking up into the posts and rotting them. Finally, attach your bolts with a socket wrench. Over tightening can lead to the bolt tearing out and splitting the wall, so go slow towards the end. I hope you have a simple install.